So then you have a very clear call to action, right, on the website. The call to actions are things like whether they have a phone number, whether they have online booking, the address, so that the patient can get there, and any email address that they have, right? So it's very, very clear. And I guess from a website usage point of view, a lot of people will come to your website and then go, I just want to find the phone number, or I just want to make an online booking. We don't want to make it hard for patients to find these details from you. So the behavior of how people use the website is that you only got 8 seconds to engage someone, right? So if it's a new patient or potential new patient, within 8 seconds, if they can't find the information they can't find, they'll actually exit. That's why it's important to make sure the call to action is above the fold, right? And above the fold means you go to a website and you don't actually need to scroll. Below the fold is when you actually have to start scrolling. So what we say is the call to actions, the contact details, needs to be above the fold. So we've got plenty of other videos similar to this where it helps you with the marketing of your practice. Either subscribe to us on YouTube or like us on Facebook and be notified the next time the video comes out.